Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I am bringing you a product review of something I'm very, very excited about. It is the Belle at Home. It is a 48 watt 30 light lamp. This is new. To my knowledge, it's new. Got it off of Amazon. On the side of the box, which you can't see, it has lots of information. Love this lamp for a few reasons. I know I should have done an unboxing, but when I'm excited about something, I can't wait to open the box on film. I have to open it right then and there. So that's what I did. Love this. The bottom does not just sit on, does not rest on the pads. There's no magnetic strips. It slides. See if I can do this now. No, you're not going to be able to do it on film. Let's see. It slides on. Trust me, it really does. Here we go. Here we go. Slides right on. You can take it off for your petties. There are 30 lights inside. 48 watt lamp. Look at this design. I think this is so cool. It is really groovy. There is you don't see the timer. Look at that. It will show up right here. It's got the 15 watt setting. 15 seconds, 30, 60, and then the 90, which is the low heat mode. So there's no heat spikes. No hot burning. This is very wide inside to fit your whole paw. Yes, I did say paw. I just really love this. I'm going to plug this in. I'll be right back so we can show you the timer, how it lights up. It's really cool. Hold on. Alrighty, we're back. It is plugged in. If you can see the wires here. Plugs in the back. Really super easy. See the timer. See how it just comes up there? There's no visible window when it's not plugged in. I love it. I think it's just so adorable. I definitely give this 2 thumbs up. When you put your hand in, light comes on. Does not save the timer. So if you take your hand out for any such reason, the counter will restart from the beginning. I see no downfalls to this. None whatsoever. I think it is... I just love this. I love the design, the groovy little colors and designs on the side and around the back. I just fell in love with it as soon as I opened the box and seen it. I'm just so glad that I purchased this and that I'm bringing it to you now. Again, it is by Belle. Make Belle at Home. Can't remember the price off the top of my head, but it's well worth every penny. Just for the few small features about the bottom, you know, how it slides off, or slides on and off, it stays on. Love the counter, love the design, love how it goes down. You can do a real quick 15-second cure there. A little flash cure if you need to. Love that. I see nothing bad about it. I get nothing bad to say about it. I'm sure you can hear my excitability in my voice. I just really, really like this. I really think this is adorable. Really love it. It's just great. I give it 2 thumbs up. Hope you like it. I don't have a code for a discount. This is off of Amazon. I will leave the link, you know where, in the description box. That's where you're going to find a lot of useful information. A little brief summary of what the video is about. You're going to get my social media links, my email address, any links to products that I'm using in current videos, as well as my discount codes. So you always want to check out the what's it called? The drop box, the description box. Always check that out. Yes. So ladies, well worth every penny. check this out, see what you think for yourself. There's only one lamp that I have seen on the market. There's probably more than one, but the one that sticks in my mind is made. It's a duck. Would love to get my hands on that to review, but maybe in due time. But this is it for today. I've showed you my new lamp. It works great. I've not, see if I've used it. I think I cured a set just to play with for 30 seconds the day I opened it. That's another video, which I will be using this lamp in. But yes, great product, great review on this. 2 thumbs up. Definitely going to leave them a great review on Amazon. I will leave the link in the box for this product. Check it out. Check out the company. They seem to be nice. Yeah. So that's it for today. That's it for my review. Hope you've enjoyed it. I know it was short and sweet, and I was kind of a little hyper here, but it was just a great product, and I was really excited about the lamp. I really like it. My first lamp was off of Wish. It was a 6-watt lamp that cost $2. I got great use out of it. I would recommend that lamp to any beginner, any starter out within the gel, poly gel, anything that's got to be cured community. But this baby is, this and the other one I'm using that Princess Di gave me. Love it, but this is just, I don't know, with the design, the 15-second flash, bottom stays on. It really was a great product for me. So yeah, I'll give you a little tour again of the outside of it. You flip it, oh, there's the inside. Let's see if we can see. There we go. And here's the bottom. Some vents all the way around, little legs to stand on. 30 lights, remember, and I don't remember if I said, but this is a 48-watt lamp. 48 watts, ladies. So yes, this will be the end. I'm going to say goodbye for now. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.